I don't know how to say this one out loud. Honestly, this is one of the most disturbing stories I have ever heard, and I still get chills just thinking about it. A friend once told me this, someone who lived in the same neighborhood where this happened. It was a normal family, nothing fancy, just a small, decent household. A mother, father, and their two kids. One boy around 14 and his little sister just 8 years old. They were very quiet people, never caused drama. The siblings used to play together every evening. People used to say they were very close. And then everything changed. One evening, the boy started acting a bit strange. It was nothing too big at first, just moments when he would go silent for hours, sit in one corner, just stare at the wall. His parents thought it was stress, maybe school pressure. But then he stopped sleeping. He would wake up screaming, not once or twice, but every single night. He would say there was someone standing in the corner of his room, watching, smiling. His father brushed it off, said you are just imagining things. But his mother noticed something strange. Whenever the boy talked about that thing, he wouldn't speak in his normal voice. His tone changed, as if someone else was talking through him. And then one afternoon, it happened. The mother had gone to the market. The father was at work. The little girl and her brother were home alone. And when the mother returned, the house was dead silent. She called out their names. No answer. She walked toward the bedroom, and what she saw will probably haunt her forever. The little girl was lying on the floor, not breathing. Her body was cold, and the boy, he was just sitting beside her, holding her doll, smiling. He didn't even try to run. When she screamed at him, asking what happened, all he said was, "She told me to do this." The police came, he was taken away, but when they asked who she was, he kept repeating, "The one who stands in the corner." She said my sister's eyes were bad. She was watching her. The strange thing is, even after being taken into custody, he never showed guilt. He smiled in every photo, every hearing, like someone had turned off a switch inside him. The doctor said it was psychosis, but the neighbors say they used to hear whispers from their house at night, even when no one was outside. One lady swears she saw the boy standing on the roof one night, whispering to the sky, talking to someone who wasn't there. And get this, after the tragedy, when the family left that house, a new couple moved in, and within just 3 nights, they left without even collecting their things. They said there was someone in the house. They heard the child's laughter in the hallway, but they didn't have any kids. I don't know what that boy saw. I don't know if it was mental illness or something much darker. But one thing is clear. Whatever it was, it wanted that little girl gone. And it used her own brother to do it.